Okay. Alright, here we go.
Is it recording?
Yes, sorry.
Hi, and welcome to how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Okay, first thing, we need some
This is great.
materials. 1 coffee pot, 1 coffee grinder, coffee in an airtight canister,
Oh, you can't zoom, that's right. Okay.
a coffee spoon, a spritz bottle, I like this purple one, a measuring cup. First step, grind your coffee. We measure 1 coffee scoop for each cup of coffee. A coffee scoop is 2 tablespoons. I like this stainless steel coffee scoop with 2 tablespoons on this side and 1 tablespoon on this side.
Ooh.
I'm going to make 4 cups. So I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. You can measure the grounds or the beans. If you measure the beans, you can use heaping tablespoons instead of level tablespoons. If you measure the grounds, then you can use level tablespoons. But since we should always be grinding our beans right before brewing, you pretty much always measure the beans. Then you'll grind the coffee, and it should take about 30 seconds or so if you have this coffee grinder, which you do.
Oh, we bought that one for her?
Yes.
Oh, right.
After about 15 seconds or so, I like to check on the grounds. Generally speaking, they should be as fine as they can be without going through the filter. If you use a gold mesh filter, then you can grind it pretty fine. So after about 15 seconds, I look at it, and sometimes I like to just mix the grounds up so they don't get stuck in the coffee grind thing. And then I'll grind it for another 15 seconds or so.
And then the frog?
So once this is done, we'll get a shot of the grind when it's not quite done.
It's going to be the best coffee making video ever.
Alright, so.
Can we see?
So,
Whoa.
this is a pretty good grind. It could probably go even a little finer, but that's fine. That should be fine for now. So I'll take, and I've already measured it, so I just put the whole thing right into the coffee pot. And again, I like to use the gold mesh filters, but if you're going to use paper filters, use number 4 filters. Okay, so now that we've ground the coffee, I like to shake this thing so it levels, because I like my coffee to level. Then we measure the coffee. So I did 4 cups of coffee, so that's going to be 6 times 4, 24 ounces of water. Always use filtered water. It doesn't have to be bottled. It can be brittle water or pure water. But you want to measure it with a liquid measuring cup, not with a coffee carafe or with a coffee pot, because those things are never accurate. So when we get to about 24 ounces, and we'll check. There's a bug in my coffee.
Oh no.
Let's just rinse that out and try it again.
And here's Guinea. Hi, Guinea. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Oh, no wagging. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Oh.
Okay, so here we have about 24 ounces of water. It's okay if it's a little bit over because the coffee grounds are going to absorb some water. But you want right about 24 ounces of water. Again, the magic formula is 6 ounces of water per 2 tablespoons of coffee or per 1 coffee scoop, which is 2 tablespoons. So then I pour the coffee in. And then the last thing is we use this nifty spritz bottle and we spritz the coffee grounds before we brew, just to get them soaked. And this was a tip I learned from Alton Brown, and I don't remember why you do it, you just do.
So that it doesn't pour straight through.
Yeah, so it doesn't go straight through. And then you brew. And I like to use my 1 to 4 button because I'm only doing 4 cups of coffee, so it'll get extra hot. And I also like the stainless steel carafe because as soon as the coffee's done brewing, I turn the coffee pot off and I just let the carafe keep the coffee warm. That way it won't overcook or burn the coffee. Okay, that's it.